This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming Airtel 5G coverage in your exact location before troubleshooting further. Use Airtel coverage maps or call support for quick confirmation. Next, check that your phone supports Airtel 5G bands and has the latest firmware installed. Open Settings, go to About Phone, and verify network bands and updates. Also ensure your SIM is a 5G-capable SIM and is seated correctly in the proper SIM slot. If any compatibility or coverage gap exists, resolving it first saves time. Power cycle your phone and any home 5G gateway to refresh network registration and signals. Wait 30 seconds after shutdown before restarting devices to clear caches properly. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear misconfigured APN or carrier profiles on the phone. Open Settings, select Reset, and choose Reset Network Settings option. Next, update carrier settings and install the latest firmware from manufacturer menus to ensure optimized 5G performance. Reboot again after updates to apply changes and re-register. Verify APN values match those recommended by Airtel and select LTE/5G preferred network mode. Manually create or edit APN entries if automatic settings are missing or incorrect. Test speeds near a window or outdoors to rule out indoor signal attenuation and building interference. If you still see issues, check device IMEI and SIM ICSID and note timestamps of failures for diagnostics. Finally, contact Airtel support and provide IMEI, ICSID, and timestamps so they can check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.